What's up, guys? I'm going to be showing you how to get AirShou. So, what you need to do is you need to go to Safari, search up Tweakbox app. Okay, now bring you to this. Just press the top link, and then boom. Now you want to press get this app. And so it'll do this, press install, and then put your passcode and stuff in, and then you can install it from there. And then you come to the app. It's a really simple method. There's nothing really to it. So yeah, you just click off and see. It should kind of look like this, unless you kind of have like a different phone or something, and it's updated for now. You don't want to press App Store. Do not want to press it. You want to press Tweakbox apps. Go down, and now see it doesn't have the screen recorder. It doesn't have the video screen recorder. You just want to press AirShou and then install app. And if it doesn't work at that time, then press not working. I guess they'll fix it. So yeah, that's just my little tutorial on how to get AirShou, and I guess how I got it. So yeah. So if y'all guys have enjoyed, leave a like, and if this worked for you, then comment down below, and yeah, subscribe. Peace.